Want to learn the secrets of makeup pros? Curious about some tips and tricks insiders use? Well, look no further. Today we're going to look at how to cover acne, zits, and pimples like an expert. Step 1. Thoroughly wipe your face with tonic. Remember to always remove all dust, dirt, etc. from your skin before applying any makeup. Step 2. Apply primer. This prepares your skin for further makeup application. It also levels your skin, masking some of the lesser flaws, like small bumps, widened pores, and dark spots. Step 3. Concealer. It is highly recommended to use a green tone concealer. This basically provides maximum contrast to those huge red pimples you'd be happy to get rid of. Apply it to the pimple you want to hide, and then shade it with a beauty blender. That's this little pink sponge over here. Do this with every one of those irritating pimples before moving on. Step 4. Even more concealer. After you're done with the green tone concealer, it's time to put another layer on. First, pick a tone which matches your skin tone. Next, apply it to your face. Then shade it with a beauty blender. And voila! Enjoy your clean and clear skin without those pesky pimples. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more makeup tutorials.